Harmar Mobility is a leading manufacturer of mobility and accessibility lifts, including state-of-the-art vertical platform lifts. Meet Harmar's new VPL family member, the Highlander II. These next-generation lifts are an outstanding choice for at-home and commercial access challenges, including entry and exit through porches, decks, and garages, or for elevation changes between floors. The small footprint takes up much less space than a ramp, and VPLs are more economical than an elevator. Users can operate the lift by pressing the easy-to-use big blue paddle to enjoy a stable, smooth, and quiet ride while remaining in their mobility device. The Highlander II can lift up to 750 pounds and is available in 6 heights, lifting from 1 step to a maximum of 14 feet. For an extra layer of protection, the ADA-compliant folding ramp closes automatically as the platform leaves the ground. If bad weather brings a blackout, the Ready UPS battery backup option can deliver at least 5 full up-down cycles to ensure you can safely enter and leave your home or facility. When it comes to maintenance, the Guardian system will light the way. 4 bright LED lights provide continual performance feedback, so you know your lift is ready, how it's operating, if batteries are low, or when maintenance is due. Life is full of ups and downs. Let Harmar's Highlander II lift your life.